This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 301 FAM is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features a harvest interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, slide-out, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, TV, LP detector, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 301 FAM is 9,823 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.